Hey guys, I'm gonna take you somewhere today that's a little, let's say unsavory. Oh boy, I don't know if I should be showing this. This is so weird. Ow. This is the letterbox room, guys. So this is where the cats come and they poo and they pee. Pretty clean, right? You'd be like, wow, that's pretty clean for a bunch of crazy cats. But here's my concern that I want to show you guys. Who got shit on the wall? How does that even happen? Look how high up it is. Wax, did you do this? I bet it was you, Rudiger. You're a sloppy pooper. Oh well, I guess I'm cleaning poop off the wall.